It's time to be awesome again.
Get ready to create, play and watch from anywhere, anytime.
Join us live on Samsung.com
On 1st September to experience the awesome.
Hello and a very warm welcome to you all on this awesome day. So what's so awesome about this day? Well, everything. To start with, you are awesome. It is because of you that we are the most loved smartphone brand of India. It is because of you that we never stop innovating.
Indeed, and I'm thrilled to be part of this awesomeness. Let me begin by telling you that there was a time when the key innovations were lacking from mid-range smartphones. Consumers, especially Gen MZ, highlighted this concern, and that's the genesis of the Galaxy A series. Therefore, A series has been designed to make the best of Samsung innovations accessible to a broader audience.
Once upon a time, only a few people had access to awesome smartphones. Pretty soon, people began to ask, why?
Why does my phone fall apart after 1 year?
Why must we worry about our data being safe?
Why does my phone have a great camera, but not enough storage to keep the photos?
Until one day, Galaxy A said to everyone,
Awesome is for everyone.
and everyone said, prove it! So, Galaxy A gave everyone a phone with no compromises, one with a lot of features, instead of just some, and everyone was so happy that they began to sing.
Just like this. Awesome is for everyone. Everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Everyone. Access to awesome technology is what makes the world sing. That's why
Awesome!
is for everyone. Everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Awesome.
Awesome is for everyone.
And we at Samsung have been listening to our consumers and how their needs are evolving. So now, as the 5G revolution beckons, it is our mission to bring the awesome 5G to everyone. The Galaxy A22 5G was our first step in that direction.
Right, and here we are today to introduce another feature-packed awesome 5G device. A device that will redefine your mobile experience without compromises. Meet the all-new Galaxy A52s 5G. Galaxy A52s 5G is awesome and it's truly a generation ahead of the others.
It surely is a device that packs in quite a punch.
Of course, Sugandha, it surely does. It's made for the Gen Z and young millennials out there who are awesome in everything they do. They love to game, stream, click, share and create all day long. That's why the Galaxy A52s 5G is packed with power and performance so that it can assist them in being awesome anywhere, anytime.
And it looks good too. I love the soft edges, the premium looking camera module. It all just comes together beautifully.
Right, Sugandha, it's made for consumers out there who love to make a statement with their awesome style. The finish is complemented by three beautiful colors: awesome black, awesome white and an awesome violet.
While our consumers are all about style and vibrant colors, what's also on their mind these days is definitely gaming.
Absolutely, Sugandha. And the Galaxy A52s 5G is designed to give consumers that edge they need to come out on top.
That's really awesome, isn't it? A no-lag, super responsive gameplay powered by the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chip, which makes even graphics-intensive games feel buttery smooth.
Absolutely, Sugandha. The gaming experience is enhanced with the AI-based game booster, and there's also a frame booster which inserts virtual images between frames to smoothen out the graphics. And what's more, the awesome screen comes with a segment-leading 120Hz refresh rate and an Infinity O Super AMOLED display which makes gaming a super smooth experience.
It's designed for hours of smooth scrolling and game playing. So whether you're keeping up with your social life or playing your favorite game, everything will be awesome.
Absolutely, and gaming is one of the key passion points of our consumers out there. Not only do they love to play games, but they also like to stream their gameplay, and that's where the Galaxy A52s comes in. It's a future-ready device when it comes to their gaming and streaming needs, and that's all possible because of the hyper-fast network capabilities.
Absolutely. We are at the cusp of the 5G revolution in India, and who better than Samsung to drive it? We have done pioneering work on 5G technology over the last decade, from launching the first 5G phone to the first 5G dynamic spectrum sharing. We have led the 5G revolution. We have the widest portfolio of 5G products, and the A52s 5G will be our newest addition to it.
And you know what? With still some uncertainty around which bands 5G would be commercialized, I'm happy to share that the Galaxy A52s 5G supports 12 5G bands. You heard it right, 12 5G bands, so that you are guaranteed a 5G experience irrespective of the bands in which 5G gets rolled out. So whether you want to play cloud-based games or live stream or do whatever you want, you can do that instantly with near zero lag. That's the awesome Galaxy 5G guarantee. And to ensure that the Galaxy A52s 5G keeps performing as you want it through the years, it comes with 3 years of OS upgrades, so you are truly future ready.
So with 5G guarantee of 12 band support and 3-year OS upgrades on 5G, you can not only game live but also create and share high quality content across multiple devices within seconds. Now that's a wow.
And speaking of content creators, the Galaxy A52s 5G will allow users to push the boundary of creativity even further with its awesome camera. Its 64 megapixel main camera comes with OIS capability. Now OIS, or optical image stabilization, helps stabilize your shots even when it's low light. The camera pulls in more light to brighten up your low light shots, so you can say goodbye to those blurry photos and shaky videos.
The ultra-wide lens lets you expand your field of vision to an eye-like 123-degree for shots that truly capture it all, and the macro camera setup captures the small and exquisite details up close. With a 32 megapixel front camera, whether you shoot a selfie or a vlog, make yourself stand out from the crowd.
And that's great. And not only that, the A52s is water and dust resistant with IP67 rating. So create, play or watch any way you like, anywhere. Imagine the possibilities.
And with an awesome 4500 mAh battery, you can keep doing what you like. It lasts up to 2 days on a single charge. And in case that runs out, the 25-watt fast charging support will get you up and running quickly.
Along with awesome screen, awesome camera and awesome performance, when it comes to data, rest assured we've made no compromises on the security front.
Galaxy A52s 5G comes with multi-layered NOC security. It is built from the hardware chip up to isolate, encrypt and secure your data, including confidential files, credit card transactions, passwords and health data, so you can protect everything that you care about.
Not only this, you can also move your sensitive information to the secure folder to keep it away from prying eyes.
I must say, with all the specs and features, everything about the Galaxy A52s 5G is awesome. And awesome is for everyone.
I was born to rule, yeah. Ooh, hey, I'm not in your league. Ooh, hey, you're gonna be my favorite thing. Ooh, hey, don't care what they say. Feels like ooh, feels like ooh, feels like ooh, feels like ooh, hey.
Now that's what I call an awesome smartphone. The Galaxy A52s 5G is all about awesome experiences at an awesome price as well. Isn't that right, Akshay?
Indeed, Sugandha, the Galaxy A52s 5G is a phone that will open up a galaxy of amazing experiences, and all of these innovations at a price that makes it accessible to a broader audience.
I'm sure those who are watching this video can't wait to hear the price.
And I don't want to keep them waiting either, Sugandha. So friends, the brand new Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G will be available at an awesome price starting 35,999 rupees. Consumers can also avail exciting offers when they purchase the device starting today.
Now that is what I call an awesome package, right? What are you guys waiting for? Go to Samsung.com and purchase your device now. Awesome awaits.